Today we will be discussing the supply elasticity. Basically, it tells us how responsive the quantity supplied of a product is to price changes or other variables. It is the percentage change in quantity supplied in response to given percentage change in price. If the supply curve is upward sloping, the supply elasticity is positive. If the supply curve slopes downward, the supply elasticity is negative. At a point on a supply curve where the supply elasticity is 0, we say that the supply curve is perfectly inelastic, meaning that the supply does not change as the price rises. If it is between 0 and 1, the supply curve is inelastic, but not perfectly inelastic. A 1% increase in the price causes a less than 1% rise in the quantity supplied. If it is equal to 1, the supply curve is unitary elastic. If it is greater than 1, the supply curve is elastic. If it is infinite, the supply curve is perfectly elastic.